guys, welcome back to ℏ𝑘𝐸, and today I forgot to film an intro, so I'm filming it now. But basically, I'm going to be doing a vlog of my Saturday. So yesterday was September 20th, and obviously it was a Saturday, so I'm just going to be taking you guys along for my Saturday. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's just get into it. Alright guys, so currently it is 8:13 a.m. and I got up at like 5 and I did some computer stuff because that's what I do right in the morning. Unhealthy, but it's me, so yeah. And I'm going to make my really messy bed right now because it's really messy. Then we're going to get dressed. This is my outfit for today. So now I'm going to do my hair because it's kind of crazy. Whoa, dude, you actually want to do your hair? That's the first. Yes, I do. Okay guys, so last night I got my first Etsy order for my Etsy shop, ℏ𝑘𝐸's Boutique, so I'm putting it in the mailbox right now. Oh yes, by the way guys, Frederick hasn't been in many videos recently, so I thought he needed to be in this video. So, he's in the video. Yo, what is this? What is this? Yeah! Okay guys, so now we are going to be taking out our chickens, Lacey and Leia. They haven't gotten out in a while because I've been busy, but they can now come and play in the yard. Hello Lacey, what are you doing? Hello, this is Lacey, and this is Leia. Leia's full name is Princess Leia Egg. Look how excited, yes. Come on out, play. Whoa, hi Leia. Oh, are you They needed to stretch their wings out. Oh. Okay, so they love their water thing. Hi, Lacey. Especially Lacey. She's like obsessed with water. Okay, come on. Drinky. So they have water in their coop, but they like to get like the bigger gulps. Cause like, yeah. Oh, hello, Lacey. Leia, don't go in the garden. Uh-oh. Lacey talks more than Leia. It's okay, Lacey. Don't be scared. We used to have 4, but then like 2 died. But you should watch the Meet Lacey and Leia video for their full chicken story. I'll have it linked in the description box. Okay guys, so this is Lacey. Yeah, so right now, this is Leia. She's molting right now, which means like she's getting rid of her old feathers and getting new ones for the winter. So during molting time, they can have an attitude change. What are you doing, Lacey? What are you finding, Lacey? So, she likes to dig here a lot, but then she kicks it on the cement. So, this is like a forbidden digging area now. Yeah, why are you on that? Wait, are you going home? Okay. Hi, Lacey, what you doing? What are you doing? So, the chickens had a fun time outside, but I had to put them in. But now I'm going to be doing some work on the computer. Whew, guys. Okay, I just spent like 2 hours working and filming on a video, so now I'm gonna edit it. Alright guys, it is 12:17 right now, and I'm hungry because I ate early and I'm kind of cleaning up the living room. I mean the living room from my video that I spent like 3 billion hours on. So yeah, we're gonna go to Taco Bell. No one's home right now, but I'm just gonna bike to Taco Bell. Okay guys, let's go get our bike outside and then let's bike to Taco Bell. This is my bike. This is actually my sister's bike, but it's really nice. Okay guys, so I don't know if filming and riding a bike is that good of an idea, but I'm gonna try it. And yeah, hopefully I don't like break the camera or break myself. So guys, as I was almost to Taco Bell, I realized I didn't have anything where to put my like burrito thing. So I attached this dumpy little basket to my bike with some really tacky string. But yeah, now we're gonna go to Taco Bell again. Okay guys, we're almost there. All the buildings and stuff starts over there, and then we have to cross all these busy streets to get over there. Can I just get one bean burrito? Okay guys, wow, first of all, my bangs look, oh, I don't need this mask. Okay. Well, anyway, yes, I look like a mess, but that's okay. At least I got food. Yeah, but yeah, it's in the bag. There's like these girls hanging out outside of Taco Bell. No clue what they were doing, but they were like over where my bike was. So I was like, thank you for watching my bike. And yeah, anyway. Okay, are you ready to go home and eat? Yes, we are. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Ooh, napkins. Wow. Yes. My burrito. Woo. Okay, and I'm also gonna be having this 𝒦𝒦 lemonade because if you don't know what these are, okay, I thought they were weird when my mom bought them, but they are heaven. They're lemonade, but they're like sparkling, but they're better than sparkling lemonade. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Then we pour it over ice. Heaven. Yay! I have food. Woo woo. Okay. Yes. I'm not gonna make you watch me eat all this burrito. It's so good though. Okay, I'm tired. Okay guys, so I'm no longer home alone. Everyone's home being loud with their loud music, but yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do the rest of the day. Okay guys, so it's later in the day, and I'm going to go to this coffee place that has like amazing homemade chocolate chip cookies. So I'm gonna go there, and then I'm gonna go to the park and eat my cookie. Not all of it because they're kind of big, and they're really cheap. They're not expensive at all. I forgot how much, but yeah. Okay guys, so we just crossed like the super busy streets. It's like very busy. Okay, so it's kind of hard just to cross and it's very, but that's the bad thing about going to this place. But yeah, it's just over there, and yeah. Okay, we're here. I'm just leaving my bike behind this corner right now. Okay, yeah, so I just got the cookie, and he even warmed it up for me, and it's like, oh my gosh, it smells like heaven. So now we're gonna go to the park. Okay, so we're going down the funway. This is the funway. It's a really large hill that is large and steep and really fun. So I don't want to drop this camera here, but I want to give you a nice good view. I look like an idiot holding my camera right now. I'm like, and the park, the idiots underneath, but guess what? They are going fast. This is not the fun part yet. Why is this park? Okay, so we have arrived at this beautiful park to eat our cookie. And I'm just gonna chill and eat here. So I don't know what to do, but I think I see some guy over there. He looks like he has like this really cool kite, and recently I've been seeing a bunch of kites. There's little birds over there. Oh my gosh, look at the bird. Oh my gosh, they're so precious. Really good. Okay guys, so I ate about half of my cookie, and I'm gonna go play, like not play, but like swing down on that playground area. I'm not gonna film too much anymore, like here, because it's really calming. I just kind of want to enjoy it. Oh my gosh, no one told me I have chocolate on my face. Oh my gosh, I could have looked like an actual fool. Okay, guys, I got back. I was playing on the playground, swinging, blah, blah, blah. Alright guys, so I'm eating food. But it's 5:53, it's almost 6 p.m. So I might go bike around a little more in my neighborhood. But basically that's it. There's not much more for this day, so I think I'm just gonna end this vlog. But let me know if you think I should do more vlogs. Alright guys, that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to do more vlog videos. I would love to do them. They're really fun, and they're really fun to edit too. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, because I love tacoing to you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.